introduction to compound interest. Suppose Frank places $3,500 in an account that pays 6% interest compounded each year. Assume that no withdrawals are made from the account. Follow the instructions below and do not do any rounding. Okay, find the amount in the account at the end of 1 year. So Frank started with $3,500, but it's paying 6%. So you've got to start by multiplying that to see how much extra money the bank's going to give him, the interest, for keeping the money in the account. So 3,500 times 6% is $210. But obviously, if he didn't make any withdrawals, that's not the amount in the account at the end of the year, because he put in 3,500. So this 210 represents the extra money that the bank's paying him to have the account there. So you've got to add back what he had put in originally. So at the end of the first year, he actually has $3,710. That's the answer to part A. Part B says find the amount in the account at the end of 2 years. Well, at the end of year 1, he has $3,710. The interest rate didn't change. It's still 6%. So for year 2, go ahead and multiply that together and you'll get the amount of interest that the bank paid. It's $222.60. But at the beginning of that year, year 2, he had $3,710 already in the account. So you've got to add that back in. So at the end of 2 years, he has $3,932.60. Suppose that $5,500 is placed in an account, so $5,500 that pays 13% interest compounded each year. So times 13%. 5,500 times 13% is $715. That's the amount of interest that was paid, but you have to add back in the amount that was originally deposited into the account to find the total amount at the end of that year. So $6,215. So for year 2, that same account starts with $6,215. The interest rate is still 13%. So that's going to be $807.95. But that account started with $6,215. So to find the total amount at the end of 2 years, you have to add that back in, which is $7,022.95.